हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोग को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। वीडियोस थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे। पहले आज का रिव्यू करेंगे, पहले आस्ट्रो का टाइम रिव्यू करेंगे, फिर लेवल रिव्यू करेंगे। बैंक निफ्टी में तो देखो ये हमने सेल जोन दिया था, अगर आपको देखा होगा मॉर्निंग 1 2 3 पता नहीं कितनी बार सेल दिया इसने, 4 5 टाइम सेल दिया है, ठीक है। और मैंने वीडियो में बोला भी था कि सिंस देयर आर टू सेल जोन्स हियर, बैंक निफ्टी माइट जस्ट टेक ए रेजिस्टेंस टू गो अपसाइड। इट विल ओनली फायर। मैंने आपको क्या बोला था, फ्राइडे का डे हाई को कट करेगा तो फायर करेगा ऊपर साइड, फ्राइडे के डे लो के नीचे जाएगा तो फायर करेगा डाउन साइड इंट्राडे में, राइट। वीकली में भी मैंने सेम व्यू दिया था, स्पेशली फ्राइडे वाला, और इसका 150 का लेवल दिया था, राइट। 31,150 के लेवल, इसके नीचे 150 के नीचे। एनीवे दैट्स ओके। लेवल निफ्टी का भी देख लेते हैं। निफ्टी का जो हमने आज लेवल लिया है, अगर आपको देखा होगा ये सारे लेवल, दिस लेवल मैंने एक ड्राइंग भी दिया। दिस वाज आवर सेल जोन 1 2, दिस वाज बाइंग, दिस वाज पिवट एंड 770 से मैंने बोला था दिन भर कभी भी निफ्टी 770 के आसपास अगर जाता है तो आपको सेल कर देना है। इट वाज अ ब्लाइंड सेल फॉर अस टुडे, ओके। So everything worked fine. The only problem is Nifty's range was today is only 100 points. Okay. So this kind of move, I really doubt if people might have made more than 15 points in option buying. Okay. It's very, very difficult. बैंक निफ्टी में तो मैंने खुद आज 30 to 40 पॉइंट से ज्यादा नहीं बना पर ट्रेड, ओके। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई रोट इन द चैनल सेइंग दैट के even 100 points of movement in bank nifty, which is very, very rare except this candle, right, and these two candles. 100 points movement in bank nifty was giving only 30 points in at the money option, okay. It was a very, very poor condition for option buying. One of the reason is simple, Indevix was below 15, अभी थोड़ा ऊपर आया, it has come up a little bit, but it was below 15. तो ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको वीकली वीडियो जो कल मैंने बनाया था उसमें बोला था एक्सपेक्टेशन आपको लो करना है। अगर आज किसी ने यहाँ से भी बाय किया होगा और ये मूवमेंट देख के 300 200 300 पॉइंट ऑप्शन की अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन रखी होगी, आई एम 100% श्योर ही माइट हैव गॉन इनटू लॉस एंड ऑफ द डे, ओके। यहाँ पे आपको 70 पॉइंट के आसपास ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऑप्शन आपको एक्सपेक्ट करना था। Our rule is not more than 20-25 minutes, so we don't go more than 30 points ideally. So that is what we tried. But 30 points, 3 trades, ideally, or 100 points, okay. And your earning will come down, guys. Your earning will come down. My earning has come down, so it has come down almost 60% down. I'm talking about naked option buying, okay. Positional sale though is different. That will also come down because of margin anyway, but it's still it is safer anyway. तो एस्ट्रो की टाइमिंग जो हम देते हैं, मैंने पहले आपको क्या बोला है, एस्ट्रो की टाइमिंग में आपको ट्रेड कैसे करना है, हाउ डू यू ट्रेड। मैंने पहले बोला है कि प्राइस हैज टू बी गिवन द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, टाइमिंग इज द सेकंड। नाउ वी सेड 9:15 to 11:15 range bound downside capped, okay. That means market when came down this much, you have a level here, you could have gone for a buy because I said downside capped and market will be range bound. If you see 9:15, this is 9:15 level, this is 11:15 level. Can you see exact same level? So this is ideally range bound, okay. And whenever I say downside capped, after a 200 point movement in a VIX of 15, you could have easily bought it from the level. There was a level here, of course. What is the level? Forget about any other level. It was just previous day's closing. You have swing levels here. You could have easily bought, okay. But anyway, people who have not bought can't do anything. Then you got a sale from this sale zone. यहाँ से भी sale था, यहाँ से भी sale दिया. I don't think you could have captured this sell ideally. Very, very difficult. यहाँ पे 10 पॉइंट से ज्यादा बनते नहीं, okay. But what we told, the thing which went wrong according to price action timing, जो आपको देखना है, ये मैंने पहले भी आपको बहुत बार बोला है, first pay attention to price. 11:15 में the red candle level was here, 11:15, okay. Now how much point bank nifty cheated? It came down almost 90 points. This is 90, 100 points ले लो, 100 points cheating. But look at the buying after that. व्यू क्या था हमारा, 215 तक अपसाइड रहेगा। 11:15 में by chance anybody bought it, okay. I don't think people might have adjusted this much of loss into their portfolio. Only brave hearts can stay in this kind of fall. But if you should have stayed at 215, can you see this? Ultimately you are in profit, Okay. And this happened in our timing before also. That means when I said up for 1 hour, it was down for 55 minutes, and in last 5 hours it was like up like anything. And similar thing happened here also. So I hope people are learning from I hope people are learning the way we need to match timing and price. Okay. But if you look at, even if in a zigzag move, even if in a extremely range bound move today, the timing might have helped you to make good decision in trading. Then we say 215 to 315 range bound. This is 215, this is 315 range bound. This is range bound, ideally clear, and 315 to 330 down, clear down. Okay. So Astro has not gone wrong ideally. The interpretation between 1115 to 215, a lot of people in a live market might not have taken a good trade based on this prediction, right? Okay. Anyway, but this is how you need to trade, guide. Nobody can be 100% perfect. There would be some challenges here and there. So this is the 8th June timing, guys. I hope everybody is actually making a screenshot. We are saying 9:15 to 1 p.m. Downside cap again, the same scenario like tomorrow. Downside capped, upside open. Okay, and we're talking about 1 p.m. So it's a huge timing, almost 4 hours, three and a half hours, right? And then we are saying 115 to 215 range bound, and then 215 to 315 down, upside cap. Okay, that means you should not buy during this period. You can go for a sell ideally. Okay, you may make profit, may not make profit, but if you buy, you will make loss. That is how you need to interpret. Okay, the way it happened today. Now coming to tomorrow's trade, guys, straight. Timing is this. So if I combine price and timing, guys, see, if Bank Nifty is moving like this and it is M pattern kind of stuff, your ideal view would be Bank Nifty will gap down. Ideally, right? Bank Nifty will most probably gap down. Okay, whatever point it is, Bank Nifty will most probably gap down. Okay. Now in that case, Bank Nifty is extremely narrow tomorrow. Okay, I already channel में डाला. What are the stocks that are trending tomorrow? Bajaj Auto, Grasim, Titan, Asian Paint, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI. 4 big banks of the Bank Nifty are going to be trending tomorrow. That is what our interpretation is. How do we calculate? That's a different thing. But the 7 stocks that I have given, out of that 4 stocks belong to Bank Nifty, and very significant weightage in Bank Nifty. Okay. Now, view kya hai hamara? View is the directional move on the upside. Okay. If I combine price and time, that means, ठीक है, चैनल में मैंने लिखा है, कल अगर मार्केट डाउन हो गया बड़ा, तो मेरे को मत बोलना कि सर आपने गलत लिखा है, क्योंकि 2 सिनेरियो है. सिनेरियो के हिसाब से ट्रेड करना. टाइमिंग और प्राइस को अगर मैं कंबाइन करूं, तो बैंक निफ्टी शुड डू ए गैप अप around this level. Agar hum exactly same level here, we have a buying exactly from this 35,338. Okay, ये decimal point में काम देगा कल. 35,338.80 is the level that I am going to buy. Stop loss is very simple. Only can you see the stop loss? Only 10 to 15 points. 10 points. Take 15 points stop loss in spot. Not more than that. That means you are only compromising 5 to 7 points in at the money option. 5 to 7 points. Take a 10 point stop loss. Chalo. 10 point ka stop loss only. The target is big. If you're going buy, if buy is coming from here, guys, believe me, the first target would be straight this, not even pivot. Sorry, the target would be straight this 35,500. That means I'm talking about 35,330 to 35,500, 150 points. Okay, why such a small range? Because VIX is low. Okay, simple. VIX is low. You cannot expect a 700 point move. Tomorrow, this move will be considered as a bull run in market in Bank Nifty. Okay, cool. Only 10 point का 15 point का spot का stop loss दे रहा हूँ. Remember, because if you're this 15 point stop loss, if you do not keep no and market goes down, this is a very crucial zone. Market will come this level, 35,236. There is a possibility. So it is better that you compromise 10 to 15 points as a stop loss, because if it has to go up, it will go from here. If it has to cut the stop loss, it will cut the stop loss 15 points. But if you keep it holding, a loss will be almost 70 to 80 points minimum. Okay, so that means I have a buy zone tomorrow here. I have a buy level from here. The rest are buys anyway. This is a buy zone. You can keep on extending. These are virgin buys. So you keep on extending, you keep extending this, you keep extending this. These are virgin buys. So that means Bank Nifty will not fall ultra big. Do not expect Bank Nifty to fall ultra big, guys. Okay, this is my buy on dips, this is my buy on dips, this is my buy on dips. All these are more buy on dips scenarios. Okay, tomorrow this is my buy on dips, this is my buy on dips. I don't think market will go below this, even if it comes down in the first 10-15 minutes. Okay, if possibly comes down, go for a buy. Now in that case, if you're buying from here or here, ideally, okay, whatever it is, जैसे यहाँ पे buy लिया, stop loss उड़ गया, दोबारा यहाँ से buy लिया, you will buy till 1 o'clock, okay, minimum, because a trending move is actually expected. Okay, now is it going to happen? I don't know. I'm just giving you a scenario. Scenario 2, if market opens flat tomorrow around this level or this level, wait for the day high to be cut. Okay, now remember it very, very carefully. If this day high, which is our R1 tomorrow, 35,550, if it is cut tomorrow within first 10 minutes, do not sell. Okay, we are not going to sell, rather we are going to go for a buy from here. First 10 minutes I'm telling. Okay, 35,550 to straight here. This is a sale zone, but if it is going from here, I will almost till 99% market will come down to 35,649 minimum, and then it will give a sell. It will come here minimum 35,649. So we are saying again around just 100 points. Rest is bonus. Okay, just 100 points, then market will fall. Okay, since it is going to be price and time, if I come in, it is going to be a timing till 1 p.m. The ideal scenario is gap down and buy. Okay, in that case, it can come here, it can go here, it can up to go here. Okay, first target is this, second is this 35,550, third is 35,650. 100 points का difference है, as simple as that. Market इसके ऊपर जाना बहुत मुश्किल है unless VIX grows very significantly. Okay, which I don't think it is going to happen looking at the volumes. Okay, now so that is now Bank Nifty if directly opens above this level, then also same scenario, buy and then sell. Okay, now there is one scenario that can happen, which is very, very rare, but it might happen. Bank Nifty directly opens around this level. That means between this and this. Okay, in that case, do not buy. If it directly, channel में मैंने लिखा कि if it gaps up, do not sell. Right? Gaps up means today's closing के ऊपर gap up. Not like this big gap up, like around 35,600. If it is 35,600 ka big gap up, guys, then do not sell tomorrow. Sorry, buy tomorrow. Wait for selling around these levels. In that case, this view might just get be entirely negated. The Astro might just get be entirely negated. But I would prefer to proven wrong on Astro, but I will not take a buy trade. Everybody is clear, right? So यहाँ पे open पे हमारा कोई trade नहीं है कल, unless we see a good amount of rejection from 35,650. Otherwise नहीं. Okay. Otherwise नहीं. इस case में भी your stop loss would be only 20 points. Spot. Only 20 points. Okay. Because 35,700 के ऊपर Bank Nifty will fire. But looking at the VIX, इतना ड्रामा नहीं होने वाला है. I don't think so much of drama will happen. So whatever the range I am giving you, just play within this range. Everybody is clear? निफ्टी का कर लेते हैं. देखो निफ्टी में जो है, निफ्टी ये सेल जोन हमारा कल भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा. 15,780 के आसपास जो हमने जोन दिया है, this level 15,780 से एक दोबारा से लाने की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. बट माय प्रिफर्ड ट्रेड वुड बी, जैसे मैंने बोला आपको, कि निफ्टी थोड़ा गैप डाउन ओपन करे and take a support from exactly same level again. Okay, here also the stop loss, guys, is only 10 points. because if it comes down it will come down to here. Okay, so 655 तक आ जाएगा, but I don't think it will happen. It should give a buying from here, and bank nifty will only take nifty up. In that case, again from 700 to 762 minimum, then 780. Okay, this it may not repeat exactly, it might go in a zigzag mode, but ultimately it will go, and it will be a very good trade if it is starting around 930 from here. Okay, that would be a beautiful trade for us. Okay, 930 के आसपास अगर गैप डाउन होके चालू करता है, फ्लैट ओपनिंग में वेट फॉर प्राइस एक्शन, ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे जा रहा है, ठीक है। अगर गैप इसके ऊपर जो सिनेरियो में बैंक निफ्टी में बोला 781 के ऊपर ही गैप अप हो जाता है, देन लुक फॉर ए सेल अराउंड 15,803. ओके, हर एक जगह पे 10 to 15 पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस इन स्पॉट. ओके, and then in that case the sale will not be more, it will be only till days high which is around 30 points. मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बोल दिया वीडियो में, ये वीक में आपको इंडेक्स से कुछ रिटर्न मिलने वाला नहीं है, एटलीस्ट ऑप्शन बायर्स. ठीक है, तो हम व्यू तो बना रहे हैं, बट व्हाट द वे हाउ आई ट्रेड, आई इंक्रीज द क्वांटिटी बिकॉज प्रीमियम्स आर हाई. मैंने आपको वैसे आप लोगों को बोला है कि क्वांटिटी लो रखना. इफ यू आर वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू हैव ए कन्विक्शन, okay, like this kind of trades 215 to 330, if you have a conviction, then go for a larger quantity. You know market will react from my level, like this beautiful reaction, this one 762, and then trail, even if it is small 5. If you put 1000 quantity here, 5.5 thousand rupees, then market might give you cut your stop loss, okay, going up, but at least you will come out 5000. So if you are a very very high conviction, precision, accuracy in your trading, then you still can go for a larger quantity to make more money. But I still tell that if you're not, at least yourself, ask honestly to yourself, are you 99% confident? If not, play with small quantity, as I already said. Okay, लार्ज क्वांटिटी बोलने का मेरा मतलब ये था, देखो इंडेक्स में तो मैं 1-2 ट्रेड तो लेता ही हूँ, आज मैंने 3 ट्रेड लिए थे, तो मैं इंडेक्स छोड़ के रह नहीं सकता. स्टॉक्स पे लगाता हुआ अलग बात है, स्टॉक ट्रेड भी हमने लिए हैं इक्विटी में, बट इंडेक्स में 1-2 ट्रेड तो लेंगे, आदत है वो छूटेगा नहीं. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट द रिटर्न माइट नॉट बी बिग लाइक अदर डेज. लुक एट द, यहाँ पे 30 पॉइंट्स में आपको ऑप्शन एट द मनी कितना मिलेगा, 10 to 12 points, not more than that. Okay, so based on that, accordingly do the trade. Okay, option seller, if market gapping down tomorrow and it is giving a price action, positive price action of first 10 minutes, if you want to sell, you can sell actually put. Okay, that would probably give you more profit tomorrow. Okay, बाकी जो हमने stocks बोले थे, एक बार देख लेते हैं कि are they going to support us? What are the 4 stocks that I said? HDFC Bank. You have a support here for the last, after so many days we are bringing it here. Yeah, for 93 to 95 ka zone, gap down, take a support, boom, upper side. Okay, so HDFC Bank is good. Kotak Bank Virgin buy. Kotak Bank Virgin buy at 1808 to 1805, 9 points. गैप डाउन भी हुआ ना, 1807 से भी बाइंग दे दिया ना तो भी बहुत है. ओके, एटलीस्ट नीचे नहीं जाएगा. बैंक निफ्टी विल नॉट गो डाउन, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से गाइस. ICICI बैंक, लेट अस सी. दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग. इसका है सपोर्ट बट इट इज एट अ वेरी वेरी लो stage, so this is a little bit confusing, might not go with our view. And the last stock is State Bank of India. $428. Do you have? Yeah, 427 actually. This might, for 28 to 27 might act as a support. So gap down होके अगर फर्स्ट 10 मिनट्स ये पॉजिटिव प्राइस एक्शन दिया है, देता है, तो बिलीव मी बैंक निफ्टी इज गोइंग टू बी ट्रेंडिंग अपसाइड द एंटायर डे द वे वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड. ठीक है, लेट अस सी क्या होता है कल. थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड नाइट, जय माता दी.